नाम क्या है आपका?
कार्तिक गिरी।
कहाँ से हो आप?
कलकत्ता से।
कलकत्ता कहाँ?
दीघा का पास।
आपको पता है वोट इलेक्शन पास में है,
हाँ
आपको वोट देना है? वोट देने का मन है आपको?
हाँ, वोट देना है ना।
मगर आप जा पाओगे इस बार?
नहीं, जा नहीं पाऊंगा।
क्यों?
15 दिन हुआ गांव से आया।
अच्छा, तो आपका अभी क्या सिचुएशन है, क्यों नहीं दे पाएंगे?
इधर 15 दिन हुआ काम करने के लिए आया, इसलिए उधर 7 महीना लेकर बैठा था उधर।
अच्छा, तो महंगा पड़ जाएगा जाना। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Hi, this is Ashwin. I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I am currently working in Dehradun from the past 1 year. Tamil Nadu is gearing up for elections in April, but since I am working in Dehradun, I am not able to travel, especially during this Corona time. It would be great if Election Commission does provide some alternative for us to vote during these times. Thank you.
Importance of right to vote is this is something which is affecting me personally as well, because currently I am based out of Delhi because I am pursuing my masters from Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, which is why it's difficult for me to go back and vote, that is go back to Calcutta and vote. So hence I demand that there should be some form of procedure or some option for people living out of their states, people who are not in their home states during the elections, for them to vote by being in places they already are.
My name is Shrestha Banerjee. I am a voter enrolled in the state of West Bengal, and at present, due to professional reasons, I am settled in Bangalore, Karnataka, and unable to travel back to my home state in all probability due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. This has been a very unexpected event across the world, and in exercise of our right to vote, which is a right granted to the Indian citizens under the Constitution of India, as well as validated by the Representation of People's Act and the rules thereto. It's my humble request that the voters who are not able to travel back to their home state be provided with a reasonable opportunity to cast their votes in their physical absence. The absentee vote is currently available to a selected category of people, and given the COVID-19 pandemic situation, it would be great if the same categories are also extended to people who are unable to travel back to their hometowns. Thank you so much.